Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we have seen how we can use widget option schema with real-time example. In this video, we will walk you through how to debug widgets in the ServiceNow service portal by pulling and displaying a user's department information using GlideRecord. Let's start by looking at the server script in our widget. Let's create our own widget to see how to debug widgets. Portal configuration, widget editor, and then let me name widget as debugging widget. Let me first set up a variable in the server script first, like data dot and then demo variable and its value as debugging widgets. This is the global object as we have previously learned, and to display the data, basically we will be using data.demo variable. It will only give the output of only this value. Suppose if I give another widget like demo variable 2 and as debugging widget 2, it won't show up. Let me save it and show you. You can see only the variable which we have given only is getting displayed. To get all the variables and its related data and then pipe and then mention JSON filter and save that. It will give all the data which is over in the server script. This is how we debug the server script data with the help of the HTML, data, pipe and then JSON within the double braces. Now let's see how we debug in the client scripts. Basically we have console.log of to debug the client scripts. Let's see, let me get this variable to debug. Client side and then to get the data c.data.demo variable and let me save it. If you inspect that in the console, you can see the output as debugging widgets which we have given over here in the demo variable. This is how we debug with the help of console.log. We also have one more thing called sputil. It's a client-side API. It helps to display the messages, info messages or error messages and all. Info message of, now let me take this now, debugging widget 2 to avoid confusion and save that. You can see the output as debugging widget 2. This is how we debug in the client scripts. And when it comes to server scripts, we have gs.add info or error messages to debug in the server script. Let me take another variable, demo variable 3 equals to server side debugging. Let me pass it over here and then save it. You can see server side debugging. It means we are actually debugging in the server script, and if you close that, we have the client one and then we have the HTML side debugging. This is how we debug the widget within different components. To sum it up, we have queried server script using gs. And then the info messages or error messages. And in client script we are using console.log or sputil, and then in HTML we are using within double braces data, then pipe and then JSON. We have rendered the data on the page using Angular bindings. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment with your questions or feedback. Happy debugging in ServiceNow. Thanks for watching.